Should you bring witnesses with you to your asylum interview? You do have the ability to do this. If you really wanted to, you could request that people come to testify or to basically talk with the asylum officer at your asylum interview. Like if there's someone that saw something important in your case or that knows something that's a crucial fact that shows that you've been persecuted, that you've been harmed, or that you're likely to be harmed because of your possession of one of the 5 protected characteristics under the asylum law, well, that could help your case, right? So it makes sense that you would want to consider having someone come and tell the asylum officer this. In the immigration court context, it's pretty common to bring witnesses who will formally testify on your behalf before the immigration judge. But it's not something that's commonly done in the affirmative asylum context where you're asking USCIS at the asylum office to give you asylum and you go in for your asylum interview. The asylum officer normally just wants to talk with you, the asylum applicant, and maybe, but rarely, your spouse. They really aren't that interested in hearing from other witnesses. They're just not used to doing that. And I think that they kind of see it as a hassle on the very rare occasions when someone does ask to have someone come in and essentially be interviewed or to testify in the affirmative asylum setting. I really don't think there's much benefit to doing it for your asylum interview. If you've got someone who has something important to say about your case, well, you can have them say it in a letter or a declaration where they explain whatever it is that they want the asylum officer to know. I think that's actually preferable to trying to bring someone into the office to testify at your asylum interview. If you have any questions about this, just leave them below in the comment or feel free to reach out and send me a direct message on Facebook or Instagram or leave me a comment on YouTube.